The Archduke thought that it was a good idea. The Archduke, when he heard this, he thought, yes, it's a good idea. Well, my friend, your painting will be a great piece of art. Okay, my dear friend, your painting will be a great piece of art. It will be a very good painting. വളരെ മനോഹരമായിരിക്കും. What reward do you expect for it? Reward, prize, സമ്മാനം. What reward do you expect for it? 100 pieces of gold. So what is the reward he is expecting? 100 pieces of gold means 100 gold coins. You can pay me now or later. So you can pay me now or you can pay me afterwards also. As you please, as you like. Here are the 100 pieces of gold in advance. So what did the king say? Okay, you will get your 100 pieces of gold in advance. Advance, before the war. Mungurai, said the Archduke, giving him the gold. My lord, you are the most generous of masters, generous, kind of masters. You have filled my lamp with oil. So now you have filled my lamp with oil. Lamp, you know what is a lamp? Which gives light, vilakku. You have filled my lamp with oil. It will forever burn in your honor. So it will always burn in your honor, in your respect. It will always be burning to show respect to you. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വേണ്ടി എപ്പോഴും കത്തുന്നൊരു വിളക്കായിരിക്കും ഞാൻ. The next day, Till asked the Archduke to allow him to see all the courtiers who were to be painted along with him. So the next day, Till asked the Archduke to allow him to see the courtiers who were to be painted along with him. They came and saw him one by one. So they came and saw him one by one. The first to come was the commander-in-chief of the army. So the first person to come over there was the commander of the army, commander-in-chief of the army. He was the supreme commander of the army. He was a short, fat, bald man. Short, not of much height. Height is less. Fat and bald. Bald is a person without hairs. With an enormous pouch. Enormous. Enormous means big. And pouch means stomach. So he was a short, fat man without hair and a big stomach. He whispered in Till's ear. Whisper, say very silently. When you paint my picture, remember you have to make me look handsome. So when you paint my picture, in that picture I should look handsome. If you do not make my stomach look flat, so in my painting, my stomach should be flat. I will have you hanged. If my stomach is not flat, I will hang you. I will kill you. Remember, I was once a very handsome soldier. You have to remember one thing. Once I was a handsome soldier. Handsome. What is handsome? Very good to look at. Usually, beautiful is associated with woman and handsome is for male. Beautiful സ്ത്രീകൾക്കുള്ളതും handsome ആണുങ്ങൾക്കുള്ളതുമാണ്. An elderly lady came next. Elderly, an old lady came next. She had a large hump on her back. What is a hump? You find something on the back of the camel? This is a hump. So she had a hump on her back. Sir Painter, she said softly. So she addressed him, Sir Painter. She said very softly. So she said in a very low voice. How did she address him? Sir Painter, make me look young and beautiful. In the painting, I should be young and beautiful. I know I am an old lady, but in my painting, I should be young and beautiful. If you don't remove the hump on my back there is a hump. So in the painting that hump should not be there. And supply what I lack in beauty, I will have you torn into pieces. And you should supply, you should give what all things so that I become beautiful. So if you don't do that, I will tear you into pieces. I will kill you. A young lady who was the companion of the Duchess came in as soon as the old lady left. So the next person who came was a young lady. She was the companion of the Duchess. Companion, friend, Tori. She was a companion of the Duchess. Duchess, the queen. Came in as soon as the old lady left. She was young and pretty. She was a young woman and she was pretty, beautiful. And she was also beautiful. But had lost 3 of her front teeth in an accident. But she had lost 3 of her front teeth in an accident. She did not have her front teeth. She wanted that in her picture, she didn't see herself smiling with a perfect set of pearly teeth. She would have him cut into small bits by her lover. So what was the warning? Munnariyappu. So what was the warning she gave to her? In the picture, she should be seen smiling with a perfect set of pearly white teeth. And if she doesn't do that, she will have him cut into small bits by her lover. And she pointed to the captain of the guards. So this lady was the lover of the captain of the guards. Similar requests and threats continued until he had finished with the last of the courtiers. So similar requests and threats continued. And till he had finished with the last of the courtiers. So who all came either had a request or a threat. Request, abeksha. Threat, bhishani. Then the Archduke sent for him. After he met all the courtiers, the Archduke called him. My dear fellow, I want your portrait to be perfect in every detail. So what was the command of the Archduke? The picture should be perfect in every detail. You are to paint all my courtiers exactly as we see them. So you should paint all the courtiers just as they appear. If you leave out a mole is a small dark spot or lump on a person's skin. So if you leave out a mole, a pimple, you look at his face, what do you see there? These are the pimples. A pimple or a single grey hair, or you leave out a single grey hair, I will have you slaughtered, killed. Slaughtered means killed like a pig. So do you know how a pig is killed? After it's killed, the skin is removed from its body. The skin is removed from its flesh. So it will be very painful. So I will kill you in the same way if you leave out a mole, a pimple, or a single grey hair, grey, white. If you leave out a single white hair, I will kill you like a pig. Till coolly thought over this. So now Till thought over this and said to himself, and what did he say? If I paint this picture, I shall certainly be killed. If I paint this picture, I will be killed. Either the Archduke will have me slaughtered like a pig for having disobeyed him. So either the king will kill me. Why? For disobeying him. Or the courtiers will have me murdered for painting them as they really are. Or what will happen? Or the courtiers, the people in the court, they will kill me. They will murder me for painting them as they really are. So now Till is in real trouble. In either case, I have to die. So Whatever is going to happen, I am going to die. Perhaps it is wiser not to paint the picture at all. So what is the best thing I can do? Not to paint the picture.